let's talk about this class 2 exotics here. The young lady that starts off with right here in front of me, she kind of got out before I saw it. When this steer, let's bring the second calf around. When these two walk in the ring, I kind of felt like they were somewhat of a match pair, and I felt like they should have the quality and the power to get up in the top of this class. I think as you look at these calves on the move, they're sound, they're big-footed, there's a lot of product in these two steers. For me, the advantage in our class winner is just a little nicer and neater design up to that front end. And these two young ladies can get one stuck. I will say that, boys. Look out here, guys. Who's at the top of this class? Well, there's one other girl in the class, I guess, but these two really got it done with the show stick, in my opinion. The calves almost every time I looked at them, they're where I needed them to be in terms of setup. I just love the design and the balance of the black steer to start out with in the class. Charlotte Cross that comes next, again, very well balanced. He's very long and stout through that forearm, through the center of his body. Two steers with a lot of muscle, a lot of look to them. I think two very production-oriented steers here at the top of the class. The steer that comes third was just kind of the one that got logically worked